In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the SEO for your event. And so for example,
this video is brought to you by Appy Pie Academy.
If we reuse the same event description that we used before, if this is on your website, okay, if on your website, I'm going to create a checklist for you just here so that you don't lose it and so you have it. If your main keywords is something like outdoor event or hiking event in San Francisco, then if you have your own website, in the checklist, what I'm going to add for you is the meta title and meta description. And I'll create an example of a meta title tag for you. The meta title tag is 70 characters, so it's literally something like this. You see, I added a few other keywords, outdoor and group hiking event in San Francisco on whatever the date you have, and also pet and family friendly. And you can subtract or add a few other keywords. You see how I just kept adding keywords like outdoor, group, hiking. Maybe you can add keywords like health, fitness, whatever, and that will be the chance, and you'll have a chance to do that in the description meta tag, because the description meta tag is 140 characters. You see, the description tag is just a little bit longer, so I copied the title and I just added a few more keywords like join the outdoor fitness event to explore San Francisco history. So don't overthink it. It's not too much more. If you have more keywords to target, in this case, I don't have that many more keywords, but if you have more keywords, then this is a perfect place to add them. And then what you want to do in your description is, you see, we have the keywords like San Francisco, so it's plenty. We use San Francisco, and what I'll do is I'll use Control F and I'll use hiking. And you see, we see that we actually not using the word hiking in the description. And you can do the same thing for your description to see, are you using your main keywords in there just as a test. And if you're not, you can use it you can add it. For example, when I say this is a unique opportunity to hike and explore San Francisco's history by finding, or you can say by hiking and finding. And so you see right here, you have out hiking, and then maybe another keyword can be a park name that you may be going through. In this case, the hike is along the ocean, but if you're going through a park, the park name is a good keyword. And using your geographical location as a keyword and the activity as a keyword is already a pretty far way there, because guess what? You are using it in the description, you're using it in the meta title and description, and the only other place you would use it is in your image. In the alt tag of your image, you would have keywords like San Francisco hiking or something like that. And then you're all set, because also your event title will also have this, right? The event title itself will be something like San Francisco hiking and seeing shipwrecks or something like this. So you'll have all the keywords everywhere. You don't need to repeat them that much more. You don't need to keyword stuff. It's there. Google is smart enough. And so that's enough for this page to have the right SEO and come up in the right searches. And if you post this on your website, the expectations for it to rank should be according to how strong is your site for SEO. And if you post this event listing on a site like Meetup or a site like Eventbrite, which have incredibly strong SEO built in, then you're much more likely to rank highly in Google, just because those websites are so much more authoritative and they more readily rank in Google.